We are in East London at Harem London studio, where we make everything. So each season I come up with a concept, I do some research, mainly using our heritage from the Turkish culture. This is where we make our patterns, samples, fittings, and the final garments. The production process is I design first, and then when the collection designs are done, we start making toiles, start making patterns. After the patterns, we make toiles to test every garment. Sometimes we make one toile, sometimes we make 5, as long as we are happy. Then we make the final garment at the studio, where we have all the fabric, our cutting table, our machines. We try to be very sustainable in the making and with the materials also. The biggest advantage of making in-house is controlling the stock, controlling the waste. When we do that, we become a sustainable brand. We try to upcycle our fabric as much as we can, so there's no waste. We try to reuse. It's mainly coming from Turkey. We try to get 100% organic cotton jersey every time. Now we involve like some artisan fabric also from our history and heritage. We try to combine heritage and future. We do get hand-woven silk made for us in a small city in Turkey, and we do get hand-woven cotton fabric as well. That's also made for us. So we try to do a mix of both, so that we can combine some of our traditional background and our contemporary life in London. For SS22, we've been using luxuriously soft cotton jersey for most of the garments. For us, the quality is everything. We try to make contemporary fashion as we want to wear it.